Good enough isn't good enough if you want to be the best, and if you want to be the best, you better prepare to be the best. If there were a going away party tonight in your office or your organization, who would the most people show up for? We make our biggest impressions when we're not trying to be impressive. And what we all need to do is wake up and realize that we make our biggest impressions when we're not trying to be impressive. Let me say that again. We make our biggest impressions when we're not trying to be impressive. That's what I'm going to talk to you about here today, and that's what I call silent impact.
We had Joe come out and talk to our member appreciation event. We had over 4,000 people, and Joe just did an amazing job, and they're still talking about that event.
Even in the best organizations, there are people who feel overworked and underappreciated. How much is that costing you? If you can improve your company culture, you can improve everything.
We just got done having Joe Schmidt speak as our keynote speaker for our national conference. In a single word, exceptional. If I could have anybody speak at our conference again for a second time, I would pick Joe.
It's called the second thank you when you go back and thank somebody who's changed the arc of your life, who's changed who you are as a person, who helped you through a tough time. If that person is in your life, thank them. In our research, we figured out there's a difference between success and significance, and great leaders have that figured out. The difference is impact. In my customized keynotes, breakout sessions, and half-day workshops, I help leaders discover how to have more impact, how to be more aware and more intentional with the impact they have on each other. If you want to be a great leader, you better understand impact. If you could construct your own Mount Rushmore of influence, you could build your own monument to the foremost influential people in your life. Who would you put up there, and why would they be there? When I started studying silent impact, you find it in every single phase of your life.
Joe brings an energy and an enthusiasm to the conference that you just don't see from other people, and it's genuine, and it's deep, and it's thorough.
There are a lot of leaders out there today who are going through the motions. They use buzzwords and copy what other people do. That doesn't work anymore. If you want to be a dynamic leader, you better be making connections. You better be showing people that you care, and you better understand the power of your impact. And I said, well, honey, I love you too, but are you sure that's not the wine talking? And she said, yes, I'm sure. I was talking to the wine.
The entire audience was sitting on the edges of their chairs and totally engaged, wondering whether they were going to laugh or tear up from laughing so hard.
When it's all said and done, nobody's going to care about how much money you made or how many awards you won. What they're going to care about is, did you really have an impact on this world? The impact that we have is real, it's powerful, it's profound, and it's contagious. It's not about them liking you. No, it's not. It's about them liking themselves. And when you make that happen, guess what? Someday you'll be up on their Mount Rushmore of influence yourself.
Session was absolutely fantastic.
He just blew it away.
Joe was fantastic.
Exceptional.
Thank you so much. It's been my pleasure to be here today. Thank you.